If you were born between the dates March 21st to April 19th, you're considered an Aries. So what are Aries' desires? What are their sexual desires? You click this video to find out, and that's coming right up. What's up guys, if we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful product reviews to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell real quick for me, please. Aries have great stamina and passion running through their veins. They have a tendency to take you in at the heat of the moment. Don't be surprised if they turn to a sex animal and show you what they can do. Aries take charge. Once they own you, that's it, the end. You're owned. End of story. On the flip side, Aries love to be choked in a sexual way. You want some bonus points? When things get hot and steamy, make sure you know your hands is right. Just go, get over here. Thank me later. Aries are very strong-minded and they won't let nothing get in their way. They know what they want. Aries love the chase. It's what drives them. But if you decide to keep them waiting too long, they tend to get very edgy and very anxious, like laying on pins and needles. They're very energetic and have full with energy. Maybe not like that, but you know what I'm saying. They enjoy setting examples for others to follow. So if they're about that freak life, which most of them are, they're gonna drag you into their world. And it's gonna be one hell of a ride. Aries love new challenges. However, consistency isn't their strong point. So be prepared to constantly switch things up. One of the most interesting things about Aries, their sex drive is crazy. Like, they have a very strong sexual appetite. The kings and queens of a quickie. They about that quickie life. They just wanna... Bye. So the best matches when it comes to sex for Aries are Libra and Sagittarius. Why? Okay, so if you enjoyed this series, make sure you check out the playlist of the other signs and their sexual desires. Tell me what you think. Are you an Aries? If not, fuck are you watching this video for? Let me stop. Maybe you have somebody you know that's an Aries, and it's gonna be one hell of a journey.